The other day, me and Ryan decided to go to Auckland Zoo. If you haven't been before, Auckland Zoo is pretty big, and the first thing we saw were the zebras, ostriches, and the giraffes. At the time that we went, they were cleaning the area and feeding the animals. Then we saw the meerkats, which were being fed at the time as well. They were given these little balls that had holes in them, and inside were little insects. And as the meerkats were rolling the balls, the insects were falling out and they were eating them. In the meerkat area, there was a little tunnel that kids could go through to get a closer look at the meerkats by sticking their head through a domed glass. After that, we went to a little area where there were birds, and they were not closed off, they were free to fly around in the area. In the same area that the birds were the tortoises, but these guys were behind glass. Although I remember when I was a child, they used to be free to roam around. And this was the lion area, although it was quite hard to get a good shot of the lion on camera. Then we saw the rhinos and the elephants, although we had the best view of the elephant while it was feeding. And they had some nice seats to sit on in front of the elephants to watch them, so we had a little bit of a break there and sat there watching the elephant feed. And then we were walking by and we didn't even notice the flamingos. And then I heard a little squawking sound and I looked and I saw this guy staring at me. After the flamingos were the baboons, and after that was the tiger, which was the part Ryan was most excited about. We were pretty lucky this time around because the tiger was sitting on a little walkway right above where we could walk underneath, so we got a pretty good look at it. We also saw the Tasmanian devil, the cockatiel, and the redback spider, as well as these giant lizard things, the emu, and this huge bird. There was also an alligator, which was actually the scariest part for me, so I was holding Ryan's hand really tight. Then more lizards and the cotton top tamarin. And the last thing we saw were these golden monkeys. I'm not exactly sure what they were called though, I forgot what they were called. And there were a lot more animals to see, but we didn't really get the time just because we were pretty slow walking around with a 3-year-old, but we're planning on going back since we got the yearly pass from the zoo. Thanks for watching this video, and if you liked it, please subscribe for more.